Seguramente nunca habrán oído hablar del delfín jorobado del Atlántico, y eso es porque la mayoría de las ONGs que dicen conservar y proteger a los cetáceos nunca hablan de él ni se preocupan de lo que le pasa. Sin embargo, desde el Europarque Fundación llevamos 2 años trabajando para que esta especie no desaparezca en los próximos años.
I'm Lucy Keith-Gine, the director of the African Aquatic Conservation Fund, and we are here in Delta Saloum, Senegal, where we are studying the Atlantic humpback dolphin. And the reason we're doing this study here is because they are very plentiful here. The species is actually quite rare. It's critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. But here in Delta Saloum, Senegal, we actually have what we believe to be one of the largest populations of the entire species. They are quite numerous here. We know we have at least 100 individuals and probably up to 200 individuals. We don't know that for sure yet. That's part of the reason we're doing the project. We're doing a project that has many different components: photo identification of individual dolphins, acoustic monitoring where we're listening for the dolphins underwater, and also genetics to learn more about the different population.
With our photo identification, hopefully we'll be able to recognize individuals in this group and know whether they're some of the same individuals that we've seen in the 2 bigger channels.
Desde el año 21 hemos invertido casi $100.000 para conseguir hacer censos de estos animales en los últimos lugares que se cree que están todavía viviendo en Senegal.
We have special recorders that can record underwater for up to 6 months, and we are placing those strategically in parts of the dolphin habitat where we frequently see them, or where our collaborators who work with the marine protected areas and the national parks see them. We also have a second recorder that is recording click trains, and a click train is that echolocation noise that dolphins make to communicate or to feed, and so that's telling us potentially that they are feeding in a certain area.
We need to make sure that we know who's covering which area.
I'm definitely going to.
Okay.
Esperemos que gracias a la ayuda del Europarque Fundación esta especie pueda conservarse y desaparezca de las listas de extinción.
I really appreciate Foundation Europarque for sponsoring this exercise and for even giving me this kind of opportunity to have this kind of capacity all the way from Nigeria.